start this with something related to mindset first. Okay. So we are into network marketing. Okay. We are into network marketing business. First, we need to understand one thing very clearly, and that is, if our network marketing company, if our company is manufacturing products related to wellness, example, okay, related to skincare, related to personal care, related to weight management, okay, related to weight management, or it may be related to animal care, maybe, okay. So, see, our network marketing company, they are manufacturing all these products. But here we are not an employee of the product of the company. Yes or no? We have no control. We need to understand this. This is a product. Okay, this is a product line which is manufactured by the company, and everything is decided by the company. Company decides the kind of ingredient. Company decides its packing. Company decides its manufacturing process. Company decides its quality check. Company decides everything. Does company ask us about anything related to product? Yes or no? Does company take any kind of advice from you to make any changes in the product, launch any product, stop any product, okay, yes or no? No, not at all. So company does not take any advice from us, which means if company is not, which means company, our network marketing company, see, whether we are into, this is applicable in both, whether we are into network marketing or affiliate marketing. In both these kind of businesses, a distributor or a consultant does not own a product. First, we need to understand, we don't own the product. We have no control on it. No control. And something for which we have no control, we cannot have 100%, I mean, we cannot say 100%, you can say 100% conviction that this, suppose, I mean, this has happened so many times with me. Like there was one product called Forever Kids. Okay, I'm just taking one of the example. There was a product Forever Kids. I did so much of marketing. I created some YouTube videos. I did so much of marketing on Forever Kids. And after 1 year, Forever Kids stopped coming to India. And when it stopped coming to India, I mean, it really hit my sales because I had so many customers who were buying this product from me. Okay, so we have no control on this. But still, if you have no control on this, how can we sell the product? That's the main thing. Same happens in affiliate marketing also. Suppose you become affiliate marketer, or you become affiliate partner of Amazon, and you create a YouTube video. Suppose you create a YouTube video on MacBook. Okay. Suppose you are technical Guruji. Okay, technical Guruji. Suppose you start a YouTube channel, and in a YouTube channel you say, okay, MacBook Air, this is MacBook Air, world class quality MacBook Air, this and that. And after 6 months, if Apple company stop manufacturing this kind of model, what will happen? Your YouTube video, which you say your digital asset, your YouTube video will become irrelevant. Agree with me or not? Just type agree. Okay. This is a totally different kind of training. I mean, you have never attended such kind of training earlier. Okay. I want you to understand why. I want you to keep your mind very clear. Okay. I mean, our expectations should be very, very clear about retailing. Okay. So our YouTube video will become irrelevant if the manufacturer stops the product or launch another product, another version, whatever. So what to do in such case? These are some real business problems. Okay. So this is one of the scenarios which I wanted to discuss. Ultimately, what I wanted to share with you here, the only point which I wanted to share here is we have no control on the product. That's why there is no need, again I repeat, there is no need to become wellness guru. There is no need to become skincare guru. There is no need to become any kind of guru. No. We are here in network marketing to make money. We are not here in network marketing to become wellness guru, because we are not wellness guru. I understand that you may become wellness consultant. You can say also, I'm a wellness consultant. I help people to lose weight and all those kind of things. There are some companies who, first of all, they pitch their products and then they share about their opportunity. I understand that. But at the same time, I believe that you should not become only a teacher of wellness. You should become a marketer who makes money. Ultimately, we are into make money niche. We are not into wellness niche. Is it clear or not? Just type clear. Okay. So I'm just going in a proper flow to train you about retailing. Okay, I'm going to give you some real examples on how we can retail, but we need to understand there is no need to go in deep about wellness. There is no need to go in deep about skincare, all these things. There is no need for that. Okay, we have to become a marketer. We must learn how to sell the product. To sell the product, there is no need to become an expert of the product. You must have a conviction. Okay. Now, example, I'm just asking you. Okay, you have to tell me this answer. There is a car manufacturer, BMW. How many of you know this company? Just like I know. There is a company called Apple. How many of you know this company? There is a company called Mercedes, Merc. Okay, you know this, or you know all these companies, right? But if you go to BMW showroom, have you observed that if you go to this showroom, The salesman who gives you advice on which model to buy, which BMW car to buy, what do you think? Does this salesman, does he own the product? Does he own the product? Yes or no? Does he himself has BMW? Yes or no? No, not at all. At the same time, I'm not contradicting with that thing. I mean, yes, as a networker, we should use our own products, our company product to have conviction. That is fine. But at the same time, to sell a product, there is it is not mandatory. It is good to use the product yourself, but it is not mandatory to own the product. Got it? Yeah, he might have Maruti Suzuki, correct? But he is able to sell BMW. How is that? So that's why what I want to share with you, even if you go to Apple showroom, there are strong chances that the Apple showroom, I mean, the salesman may have Android phone. Mercedes salesman may have some other car, even may not have a car at all. But still they are able to sell the product. Why? Because they are good in sales. They are good in, I mean, before sales, before sales, what happens? Before sales, there is another, you can say, step, which is marketing. Yes or no? And we are into network marketing. This we need to understand very deeply. Our upline and our company, everybody say that you don't have to become a salesman. You are a network marketer. You are an entrepreneur. You are a consultant. Okay? You are not a salesman. You don't have to sell anything. You have to do marketing. I mean, this is absolutely right. We don't have to focus on sales. Don't you think that a person who enters a showroom, okay, just understand this. Suppose this is Apple showroom, Apple, okay. Suppose this is Apple showroom, and this is a door. And if a customer enters this showroom, Apple showroom, what do you think? The salesman which is standing here does not matter much. You know why? Because marketing was very, very strong. Yes or no? Because in his head, he's already made up the decision to buy the product. He has already made the decision to buy the product by doing all the research and everything. He has already got all the education about the product on internet, through YouTube, through Technical Guruji. They've already told them what is there in Apple, what is there in iPhone. Yes or no? They've already told them what is there in MacBook. So once they enter Apple showroom, even the salesman does not matter much. Are you getting it or not? Which means if we are able to do strong marketing, sales don't matter. If you are strong in marketing, a person has already taken the decision to buy the product. Are you getting all these things? I mean, first 15 minutes, I was just wanted to share with you some mindset, and then we will talk about some practical things. So don't you think that when even any one of you, if you want to buy a mobile phone, okay, if you want to buy a mobile phone, so what will you prefer? You will prefer any showroom, any particular showroom, Apple showroom, where it should only make sure, I mean, that it should make sure that it is authorized place. I mean, it should be an original thing. That's it. Customer only needs one thing, that I am buying original product. That's it. So this salesman does not matter. What important thing is strong marketing. If you are able to do strong marketing online, if you are able to help people to take decision online, this sales does not matter. Even sales happens automatically. The same happens in network marketing also. There are so many scenarios, and there are so many cases when I have got a call from a customer asking for a product, that do you have this product? I say, yes, I have this. And they're already making the decision. They are just asking me the price, and I just close the deal. That's it. Got it? So what we have to do is we have to focus on strong marketing. So stop becoming a wellness guru. That is what my suggestion is. Instead of becoming a wellness guru, you don't have to become expert in Apple. You must, as a company, what company does? Company just focus on marketing. Same way, you don't have to focus on only the technical aspects. You have to focus on only the marketing aspect. Only M for marketing. Got it? Till now? If you have got it so far, just type got it. Now I am moving ahead to the next topic. Now, here is a network marketer distributor. Now, suppose you joined a company, XYZ company, which manufacture some nutrition, some wellness kind of products. And now you are very excited. This network marketer is very, very excited to sell the product. Okay. And now he approaches a friend. This happens or not? The same thing happens with everybody. This is the way how we start our network marketing business. This is how I also started it, because we had no clue. We have no clue about what will happen next. Okay. Now, suppose this is our friend. Because of lack of education, what we do, we straight away talk to our friend and we ask them to buy a product. Just buy a product. And we try to to share with the other person, our friend, we try to share with them about all the benefits and all the things which are there in our product. It is a magical product and all those kind of things we share with the other person. And what will happen? Our friend, okay, I'm writing this very important quote here. Okay, our friend, they hate. Hate is a very strong word. Okay, they hate when they see that we are using our relationship, okay, understand this word, our relationship to make some commission. Our relatives, our friends, they hate, okay, I mean, there are two important words here. Our friends and family members, they hate to see when they see that we are using our relationship to make some commission. They hate this. Okay, and this is the kind of energy which they catch from us. So there is no need to directly sell a product to them. What we have to do, we have to learn a skill. Instead of convincing anybody, we must learn how to attract other people. That's a skill, and that is what marketing means. How many of you agree with this statement? Absolutely. People have to buy, but they hate being sold. Correct. So our family members, they hate when they see that we are using our relationship to make some commission. And this is not only network marketing. Even this happens in any kind of business. Now, suppose this is me, and suppose if I start something related to if I manufacture any kind of product, my family. Suppose if I become a dentist, okay. Suppose if I become a dentist, and if I talk to my friend and I always ask my friend, okay, open your mouth, show me your teeth. Okay, my friend will say, okay, you are doctor in your clinic, okay, and don't worry about my teeth. Right? So they become offended because they don't want people. We are like this. We don't want any of our friends to use our relationship to make commission. Correct? So don't create such kind of situation where your entire you can say your entire relationship is at stake. Okay, your entire relationship is at stake, and this becomes a very uncomfortable situation. Now, what is the solution? The only solution is stop convincing. Okay, and start attracting. In simple words, stop selling and start selling and start marketing. If you are able to do marketing, one of the very important element which is missing in network marketing is actually marketing. Okay, so stop selling, start marketing. Now, what does that mean? Now I want to share with you some deep insights. Okay, one more point I want to share with you, and then we will go into some practical things so that you can implement all these learnings and start making some money by selling your product. Okay. Now, there is a concept called customer. Okay, a customer. There are two words: customer and another is buyer. Okay. Now, who is a customer and who is a buyer? What do you think? Who is a customer? Who is a buyer? Customer is somebody where means as a business, when you approach a person, okay, as a businessman, when you approach a person and you tell them what are the benefits of our product and you tell them everything you do, demo and all the webinar and all those things when you do. Now, this is a customer. You're trying to convince a person to buy a product from you. You give a demo and everything. But buyer is somebody who approach you and ask you, do you have a product? Do you have this product? Buyer is somebody who has already taken the decision. Okay, this is decision already taken. You can say decision already taken. Okay, decision is already taken. Now, say for example, if you go to MACD and you have a franchisee, don't you think as a network marketer, we are actually franchisee or that's it? We are actually franchisees of our company. That's it. Yes or no? We're just a franchisee. So customer is somebody whom we approach. Okay, so we have to convince a person to take a decision here, but buyer is somebody who has already taken the decision to buy a product. He's just looking for somebody. He's just looking for options from whom to buy. That's it. And for this, what we have to focus on is we have to consistently focus on being searchable. Okay, if you really want to have a good retailing, okay, if you really want to focus on retailing, your ultimate aim should be to become searchable. All those buyers. Now, say for example, I'm just giving you a random example. Suppose if your network marketing company is doing a revenue, okay, if that company is generating a revenue of 500 crore annually, okay, per year. So for example, just an example, rough example, if a network marketing company is generating revenue of 500 crore per year, around 200 crore out of these 200 crore, okay, are actually buyers who buy products from some distributors and they're still not sure from whom to buy the next time. These are not distributors. How many of you agree with this? I mean, this is not exact figure. This is just a random figure. Don't you think that once a person joins our network marketing company, sometimes after 3 months, 6 months, they leave the company, but they still continue using the product. When a person joins network marketing company, they initially with full motivation, what they do, they approach everybody. They approach their family members and everybody, and they start using the product. They like the product, but ultimately a distributor who introduced these products to them, that distributor is no more building business now. So all these customers who are just, they are just confused about from where to buy the product, because our network marketing company, they don't sell the product directly. Our network marketing, if you want to buy product of our company, you have to buy it from a distributor. And these around 150 to 200 crore business, this is floating around, and this is actually bought by those people who are not distributors who are building business. These are just users. Okay, these are the people who just use the product. Now, my question is, don't you think that instead of convincing anybody, why not we focus on generating revenue from these 150 to 200 crore sales which happens automatically? Yes or no? How many of you want some portion of this? That's it. Let's focus on this. Let's not focus on those people who are not interested. Okay, even I don't want to talk to any of my friend and anybody to convince them, okay, I have a magical product, it will cure cancer, it will cure everything. There is no need for that. My entire focus is only to attract people who are already buying our product. They are just looking for somebody who can give them good consultation at good price also. Okay, got it? So we have to attract buyers. We have to focus on buyers instead of focusing on customers. Got it? Now, what are the ways? What are the ways to do it? Now, just type excited if you're excited to know. Okay. Now, I'm going to share with you how to attract buyers. Now, that is the ultimate thing which is going to give you results. Just type excited. Now, what if there is no demand of the product and we have to create a demand first? Now, this is also a very good question. So, we have to focus on this also. So, I'm going to share with you. Just give me a moment. Okay. If there is no demand, then it is, if you joined a company where there is no much demand in the market, very few people know about your products, in that case, you have to generate a demand, okay? And how to do that, I'm going to share with you now, okay? Now, number one, how to attract buyer. Number one is use services called Google My Business. How many of you know this? Google My Business. This is a free service by Google. How many of you have account in this Google My Business? Just type, I have, I don't have, I have, I don't have. I will give you some brief thing about it, and it is very simple. Okay, got it. Nice. Second way, the ultimate aim. What I want you to focus on is only focus on those people who are already buying the product. Okay. Second is through YouTube, because ultimate aim is when a person is trying to buy something. When a person is trying to buy something, he will search on where? Google. So Google is the number one search engine. Number two search engine is YouTube. So this is a search engine, correct? So you must have presence on Google through Google My Business. You must have presence on YouTube by creating some tutorials related to your products. So as somebody asked like how to create demand, then you have to create demand by giving quality consultation using your YouTube videos. Okay. So if directly your products are not in demand, in that case, create videos, something which is related to the problem which are there in the market. People are searching for a solution to their problem. Like say, for example, overweight is a problem. People are searching for a solution to overweight. In that case, create YouTube videos and give them solution and then introduce your product using YouTube. There is no need to convince anybody. Just see marketing. What is marketing? Okay, let me share here. Okay, strong marketing means strong education. Marketing means education. What is marketing? Marketing simply means educating our prospect. When you educate your prospect takes decision. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let me give you some examples here. And third is by curating content. Now here also I will give you one example. Okay. So these are the three things which I recommend to you. Okay, and in some other DNA meeting I will give you more examples. But right now I want you to focus, just to keep it very, very simple. I want you to focus on only these three things. That's it. Okay. Got it? Only these three things. Just focus on these three. And I'm very much sure if you just focus on these three for next 1 month, only for 1 month, you will be definitely able to generate lots and lots of sales. Okay. So let me show you quick demo about how I generate sales using Google My Business. Are you ready? Just type ready. And what you have to do, I'm going to give you very simple assignments today. And this is being recorded now. And below this video, you have to share your learnings. Means once you completed the assignment, you have to share your link also. What